Mommy T-Rex sent baby T-Rex far away.
There's probably no one at the beach, right? Ah! What's that? Huh? How did I get so far? Ah, I'm a pretty fast runner. Is it because of my strong hind legs? I should try running again.
It's a T-Rex! Everyone run away!
Huh? They're scared of me.
Baby T-Rex gathered up the courage to climb up the rocky mountain.
It's a T-Rex!
Huh? They said I was scary. I guess my voice was kind of loud. I sounded really strong. But I'm getting kind of hungry.
Oh, good job. Great.
Maybe I should try hunting.
Good job.
Here I come! I'm the brave baby T-Rex! Roar!
I'm glad I sent him off on his own.
The brave baby T-Rex. One day, baby T-Rex will be a great hunter too.
Tyrant lizard Tyrannosaurus Rex. Long-necked Brachiosaurus. Tiny head herbivore Mosasaurus. Massive herbivore Apatosaurus. Long beak Pteranodon.
Boom, boom, boom. Chicky, chicky, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Dino World, yeah!
It's time to eat for baby Dino. Yummy food, it's on its way.
Fresh, crunchy, green leaves.
Juicy fruits are crispy but yummy leaves. Yummy fruits. Yummy bugs. No, I'm hungry.
Feeding baby dinosaur.
It was raining in the dinosaur forest for days.
Hey kids, come out. Finally, the sun is out.
Our forest is a huge mess.
When will we ever manage to clean this all up?
Ah!
What's going on?
Oh dear, it's a baby dinosaur.
It's a baby
Oh
dinosaur.
my, he's so
Wow,
cute.
so
It looks like his leg is hurt. Oh, poor thing.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? Oh no. Okay then, we'll bring you some food.
We will? Well,
I
guess
we
we
could.
he looks kind of scary though.
Hey, little one, we brought you some fruit. Ow. You're going to love these. Why aren't you eating them? Go ahead, try them. Oh, I worked so hard to get these. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do with you.
All right. Well, how about the bugs I brought you then? They're so healthy and taste so good. They're so delicious.